What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining for another video. Today I got a quick first look slash unboxing of a knife I picked up at Academy Sports. I've had my eye on this knife for several months. The price was $40. Now this is made by the Ontario Knife Company. 100% made in the USA. These guys have been around since 1889. This particular knife is the 498. This is supposed to be for tactical and survival situations. So 498 mod survival. So obviously this is a fixed blade knife and it does come with a leather sheath. I'm going to give you a closer look at that here in 1 second. But before I do that, we're going to talk a little bit about the specs of this knife. So you got an overall length of 12 inches, a blade length of 7.1 inches. This is high carbon steel. The blade hardness is 55 to 57 HRC. This handle right here is leather. And of course, you have a leather sheath included. So here's a close look of that blade. It appears to be pretty sharp. I've only used it a couple of times. But it seems to hold the edge pretty good. See that handle wrapped in leather. Nice little pommel here at the back. And as I said, it comes with a nice leather sheath. I had one issue with the sheath. I'm going to talk about that here. Essentially, knife goes in the sheath pretty well. No issues there, but when it comes to trying to get this thing buttoned up right here, it is extremely difficult. It's so hard that I couldn't even button it. So what I would do is I'll just button it like so, but then you have no retention. So essentially, you'll have to break this in order to be able to use it. But right now, it's very hard to buckle around the handle. You have a loop here so you can go ahead and run your belt through, and it hangs from your belt or your waist. Got some nice little hardware here to ensure that that leather sheath does not come apart. So guys, I'm going to continue my testing of this knife, and I'm going to come back with a full review. Again, this is the 498 Mod Survival made by Ontario Knife Company. I'm Tactical Black Guy. Thanks for joining me, and I'm out. Peace.